Morning, morning. Zone 2 ride today. 4 hours at about 220 watt average is the target. Just leaving home, and the beautiful morning, sunshine, blue skies. Let's hope it remains that way. Hey, 4 hours, 2 minutes, well, 3 minutes now exactly. 123.35 Ks. You can see my arms are slightly sweaty. Nice and hot. It is now 36 degrees Celsius. It's pretty roasty. I'm out of water and all my gels are done. Luckily I'm only about 1.5 Ks from home. It was a pretty tough ride today. Here towards the end I started feeling it. All in a day's work. Catch you later, cheers.